Our gorgeous Easter weekend continues into Easter Sunday itself before a few rain chances next week.
Sunday afternoon is going to be a great deal warmer than Saturday as drops hit the middle and lower 70s across the whole area, with some south of I-85 reaching near 80.
A weak system will skim the mountains late Sunday night into Monday, which will cause a couple of brief showers to form, but nothing huge will come of that.
Temperatures early next week will continue to rise into the lower 80s by Tuesday in the upstate and middle 70s in the mountains.
A stronger system will move in Tuesday night into Wednesday, which will bring scattered rain to the area, and a plunge back into the 60s for the rest of the work week.
Our next rain chance looks to arrive next Saturday as highs stay a bit below average, but certainly tolerable in the 60s. Copyright 2018 Fox Carolina, Meredith Corporation. All rights reserved.
Police say a man is barricaded inside an Anderson County hotel.
Foreground: white, black, red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan, opaque, semi-opaque.
Background: white, black, red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan, opaque, semi-transparent, transparent.
Window: white, black, red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan, opaque, semi-transparent, transparent.
Text edge style: none, raised, depressed, uniform, drop shadow.
Font family: default monospace serif, proportional serif, monospace sans serif, proportional sans serif, casual script, small caps.